YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. So today's video is a very special video. It is about my binge watch giveaway. So it's almost like you guys, I need all of you guys' support and love and everything, and that is what I'm asking for. Only that which I'm asking from you guys. So this video, I want to make it short. I don't want to make it a bit long and start blabbering. So whoever of you is interested to take part in this giveaway, you obviously have to be a subscriber to my channel, and the rest of the rules you have to DM me or ping me on my Instagram account. My Instagram account handle will be mentioned somewhere on the screen, and I will also mention it in my description box down below. So this particular giveaway, I am like looking forward to all of you guys' support, all of you guys' participation. Initially I was thinking about keeping it like 3 winners, but then I thought that let's make it 4 winners. So for the price point, 4 winners, and each of the winner will be getting a mystery bag from my side. The love and appreciation that you guys will be giving me throughout. So for this giveaway, I have planned on for 4 winners, and 4 winners will be getting like different prizes. It will be a mystery bag. So let me just tell you that what the mystery bag will be having. The mystery bag will be of course having eyeshadow palette and lipstick and some highlighter or lip gloss, or like each of the mystery bag will definitely have an eyeshadow palette, lipstick and lip gloss, and somewhere like anything, but a lipstick, a lip gloss and an eyeshadow palette, and all these will be common in each of the bags. Now one major thing is that if I see that a lot of you people are supporting, a lot of you people are participating in this particular giveaway, so I might increase the number of prizes. Initially I was thinking of 3, but then I increased it to 4. But then if I see that many of you guys are coming together and participating in this giveaway, I will make it to 5 giveaway winners, and each of the giveaway winner will be getting mystery bag from me. It will consist of whole lot of goodies which you will definitely love, and I'm like 110% sure about it. So this giveaway, from today, I think today will be Saturday, I will be posting out this video, and all of you guys will have to be a subscriber to my channel, like this video, and of course for the rest of the details, for the rest of the rules, you have to DM me on my Instagram account telling that yes, I want to participate in your giveaway. So that is how you will get to know the rules. The rules are pretty simple. The rules are not like थोपोफाइंग कि वो करना है, ये करना है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. बस 1-2 चीज़ करना है, फिर उसके बाद you are in this giveaway, you are in this challenge, you are in this beautiful journey. And if you guys come along with me, if you guys keep on supporting, and if you guys keep on encouraging me with all your love and support, I will increase the number of prizes. I will make it to 5 maybe for the mystery bag giveaway winners. So you all have to be like sticking with me like fairy call. And another thing I wanted to announce is that many of you guys have been asking me about my Diwali giveaway. So we are close to 520 right now. So if we cross 600 by, I am ready to announce the winners. I am ready to give away my gifts are lying in boxes and boxes. So like no matter how soon I reach 600, I will be giving out the boxes, because मेरे घर में इतना सारा box हो गया कि मतलब रखने का जगह ही नहीं मिल रहा है. So I'm just waiting for that. And another thing, I just wanted to add another note to it, is that very soon, like probably in February, March and midway, or like I'm planning on, so I will be hosting another giveaway. So all of you guys who will be participating in this particular giveaway, in this binge watch giveaway, you all can also participate in the upcoming giveaways. And make sure that if you didn't win probably in the Diwali giveaway or probably in this one, and you unsubscribe from my channel. So I will make it a point and I will make it sure I cross-check each and every comment, I cross-check each and every profile. So I'll just make sure that you cannot participate in my future giveaways. If you once unsubscribe from my channel, you are not at all allowed to participate in my future giveaways. And my future giveaways are going to be super amazing, super special. It's going to be huge, it's going to be super. And if you guys stick around, you guys will be the winners after all, because you guys will be getting the best of gifts. You guys will be receiving some amazing products, and I can bet you will love it, of course. So I'm just looking forward to all of you guys' DMs. You have to DM me on my Instagram account asking that yes, you want to participate in this giveaway, and then I will tell you the rest of the rules. It will be very simple. It will be no hard and soul. मतलब वो करना है, ये करना है, मतलब 10 काम कुछ भी नहीं करना है. बहुत simple है. And if you guys are willing to support me throughout, you will get your gifts. And I'll also see that how many of you are willing to support me, how many of you are willing to get along with my journey from here. So let's just see how that goes, and I'm just waiting for you guys' DMs and everything. And I have also been receiving DM that whether my birthday giveaway winner received the prize or not. Yes, she did receive a prize. I'm just asking Sneha that if you can comment under this giveaway video and tell that you have received the prize or anything. I'm not bound to prove anyone here. I just want to spread that any individual who is hosting a giveaway, they are not all of them are not fake. So you have to trust on that part. And if Sneha can comment down below and tell that she has received the gifts and everything, so that will be a huge thumbs up. And whoever would be doubting, so they would also know that no, it's genuine. So stay tuned, and I'm hoping that all of you guys participate in this giveaway. It's huge, it's special, and you guys, I'll be choosing 4 winners, and if I see that a lot more participation is coming through, I will make it to 5 winners. So I'm just hoping for the best. Let's see. Till then, stay safe and please be a subscriber to my channel. Stay safe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.